Hi, I am a learning facilitator at Young Scientist, and in this video, I would like to tell you about the PhET simulations and how it can help science educators. PhET, which stands for Physics Education Technology, or simply PhET, is a collection of interactive simulations developed by the University of Colorado at Boulder. There are over 100 simulations on biology, mathematics, physics, and chemistry. These are invaluable learning resources for students and helpful teaching tools for teachers. We have compiled these simulations on our website under YS Virtual Lab. There are simulations on topics like forces, electricity, light, electrical charges and fields, electrical circuits, color vision, energy conversion, Hooke's law, springs, pendulum, and Ohm's law. Each simulation comes with a short description of what can be done with it, and we are working to include a video tutorial for each one. These simulations convert your computer into a science lab. As an example, we shall take a closer look at bending light. Clicking on the image launches the simulation. This particular one is great for exploring the concept of refraction. We are presented with an interactive dashboard where a virtual laser can be turned on, rotated, the properties of the material changed. We can also use a protractor to measure the angles. This feature would be quite useful for students who wish to verify the results of their calculations. In the other segment, known as prisms, we have a collection of different types of prisms, a virtual laser which can be turned on, rotated, and even the frequency of light changed. One interesting feature about the simulation is that of the mystery object. Once enabled, we are presented with a question. What is n, the refractive index of the prism? To find the answer, a student will have to draw the normal, use the protractor, measure the angles, perform some calculations using Snell's law, and arrive at the answer. This converts a boring problem into an engaging and interactive activity. Let's take a look at what we find under chemistry. There are simulations on acid-base solutions, atomic interactions, balancing of chemical equations. You can build an atom, verify Coulomb's law. There is a molarity calculator, and my favorite, molecule shapes. This simulator generates 3D models of chemical molecules. A student can build their own molecule, rotate it, study its geometry, and have quite a bit of fun. One can also create models of real molecules. Here we see the molecule of water, chemically known as H2O. We could change it to ammonia, or even bromine pentafluoride. We are currently working to include translations of these simulations into regional languages like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and more. Please visit our website Young-Scientist.in to explore more of such simulations in your leisure. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to get in touch with us. Our friendly team would be happy to answer your questions and work with you. Thanks for listening and stay curious.